Hey love, so I am coming to you in the raw right now, giving you an update on my skin. My plan was to do like a whole skincare routine because I thought like it was working, it was going good, or whatever. I did take a lot of advice and got the Differin gel to use on my skin. I'm going to show you a clip of what my skin looked like. That was from just last week. So yeah, my skin, the pimples were coming in like crazy, but they were being healed. I noticed that my skin was beginning to burn with the Differin gel, so I decided to stop doing it every day. But like I said, the pimples were coming back so much. This week, I decided to do it every day because I'm like, maybe I just need to do it how it's supposed to do it every day. But like I said, I did notice that my skin just felt horrible, like to touch it really hurt and it would burn. It did state that you shouldn't go outside and different things like that. So I always did the Differin gel at night. Now yesterday I had a photo shoot. If you don't know, I'm a photographer, so I had a photo shoot. Majority was out inside. We were outside for not long at all, and it was not sunny like that. But today I woke up with my skin being burnt. So as you can see, this is the status of my skin right now. Still have pimples, a lot more black spots, a lot more healing, but the burntness is there, and I'm officially going to stop the Differin gel and just use the I did get shea butter. Excuse my neck. I had a breakout on my neck from a necklace, so I'm like going through it, you guys. So as of right now, I'm just going to use the black gel. The black African black soap on my face and nothing else. I am not sure how to heal my skin at this moment, and when I figure all of that out, then I will share it with you guys. So that's that.